Hey, this is Brandon. Just sending over that custom video I put together for your business. I apologize on the phone. I don't know if it was cutting out, but I couldn't understand your name. I think it was Nas, but I could be wrong, and for that I apologize. But I wanted to send this over. I'm going to go over three things that are ultimately going to drive more traffic to your website and ultimately bring in more business. So the three things I'm going to go over are website content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations, and the last thing is going to be backlinks with referring domains. So first thing we look at as a website is the homepage. Google is looking for at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. So you got a lot of nice content on here, a lot of nice pictures. So one thing I'm looking at, you probably want more content, but more importantly, we're going to want to put some keywords inside that content. And what I mean by keywords is this. What is it that your customers are typing into the Google search bar that's ultimately going to get that search pointed to your website, right? So keywords like residential home cleaning, commercial cleaning, and then not only with those keywords, we want to add a service area. So if we're looking at Columbus and Cincinnati, you know, residential cleaning Columbus, residential cleaning Cincinnati, commercial cleaning Cincinnati, Cincinnati residential cleaning, all those types of keywords with the service areas, that's what we want to get recognized for, and any other services as well. If I go to save this picture, you'll see it's saved as, looks like the date you might have put it on there. We want to save every one of our pictures as a keyword phrase. Every one of these pictures is an opportunity, once again, to get noticed for another keyword that we're trying to get recognized for. So hopefully that makes sense. Second thing I did is I just did a search of residential cleaning services Columbus, and you're going to notice there's three ways to get on the top or the front page of Google, right? There's ads and Google guarantees, which I know you're familiar with. The second way to get on here is by being in this map pack, all right? And the way you get into this map pack, first of all, you need to have a Google business profile. So if you don't already have one, I strongly suggest creating one. It's free to do so. Um, you're going to verify your business with Google. It usually takes 5 to 10 days for them to verify your business. And then once you get verified, you're going to take the information that you gave to Google. You're going to take your business name, address, and phone number, and you're going to get it into every directory possible, okay? Every time you get it into a directory, you're going to get what's called a citation. And whoever has the most citations gets into this map pack. So you kind of control your own destiny as into how you get into this map pack. So go out there, shout from the rooftops, let everybody know that you have a business, and you'll find yourself in the map pack once you outdo the competition. And then the third way to get into it is organically with your website. Okay, this is a culmination of your website having good content, keywords, pictures, and then a good backlink and referring domain profile. And the way I look at that is I use a tool here called Ahrefs. So I plugged your business in here. It's going to show me everything that's going on top to bottom, inside and out with your website. First thing we look at is your backlinks and referring domains. Okay, what's a backlink? A backlink is any link that you have out on the web that if somebody clicks on it, it brings them back to your website. Okay, so we want to have a good backlink profile, but not all backlinks are created equal. What I mean by that is we need to have those backlinks out on good, powerful domains. Okay, so those domains need to be relevant to your business, to your industry, and to your customers. Just because we know we need backlinks out there doesn't mean we go stuff backlinks out there in every possible area that we can. We want to make sure that they're relevant to our industry, because if they're not, Google's going to crawl these things. They're going to recognize that you're just stuffing them into irrelevant places, and they're going to ding you for them. You're actually going to lose power. It's not going to do you any favors. Okay. It also shows me currently how many keywords you're getting picked up for, so we want to broaden that. And then it shows me how much organic traffic monthly is headed to your website. So you're picking up about 2 people a month going to your website. Okay. If I go back to that search I did, you'll see in this organic section that this maids company here, Olentangy Maids, not only are they on the map pack, they're also ranked #1 organically for this web search. Here's kind of what they're doing. As far as backlinks, referring domains, how many keywords they're getting picked up for, and ultimately how much traffic they have headed to their website each month. So I think you would probably agree with me that if you can do these things and drive this much traffic to your website, you'd probably be, busy. A lot of business coming in. So once again, quick recap. Just adding more content, more keywords to your website is going to help you out tremendously. Saving these pictures correctly, going out there and getting your Google Business profile created and getting those citations so you can at least get on the map pack, and then working on your backlink profile so you can get ranked organically with your website. So hopefully all this information was beneficial. I apologize once again for the phone kind of cutting out and probably screwing your name up pretty good. But ultimately, I'm just looking for some feedback. If you could let me know what your thoughts were on the video, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you got something out of it, anything would be great to hear from you. In the meantime, you take care.